Are you looking for busy lifestyles and a renewed focus on home-cooked meals? Slow cookers have become kitchen essentials, loved by home chefs and foodies alike. These appliances simplify cooking while enhancing flavor. Whether you're meal prepping, slow braising, or one-pot cooking, this guide evaluates the best slow cookers based on key criteria: cooking modes, build quality, capacity, versatility, and value for money. Our Place Dream Cooker 6-quart multi-cooker. The Our Place Dream Cooker combines elegance and versatility in one minimalist appliance. With 6 quarts of capacity and 4 essential cooking modes: pressure cook, slow cook, sear, and saute. It's designed to replace multiple devices in your kitchen. What sets it apart is its sleek aesthetic and ease of use. The pressure cooking function dramatically reduces cook time, while the sear and saute mode allows you to prep everything in one pot, preserving flavor. It's perfect for small families or couples looking for flexibility without clutter. While it may lack some advanced presets, its intuitive controls and modern design make it an appealing choice for everyday cooks who care about performance and appearance. Ninja MC1001 Foodie Possible Cooker Pro 8.5 quart. The Ninja Foodie Possible Cooker Pro isn't just a slow cooker, it's a full-blown multi-cooking system. With 8-in-1 functionality, this 8.5 quart powerhouse acts as a slow cooker, Dutch oven, steamer, and more. The removable non-stick pot is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can start on the stove and finish in the oven for restaurant-quality results. The large capacity is perfect for entertaining or big family meals. With intuitive controls and a transparent glass lid, monitoring your meal is easy. Unlike standard slow cookers, it also features a built-in spoon rest and stovetop safe pot. Tiny details that improve daily use. Caraway non-stick ceramic Dutch oven pot 6.5 quart. Though not a traditional electric slow cooker, the Caraway non-stick ceramic Dutch oven is a slow cooking star in its own right. With its toxin-free ceramic coating, PTFE and PFOA-free, it's perfect for low and slow braises and soups. The 6.5 quart capacity is ideal for batch cooking, and the design is as Instagram-worthy as it is functional. It's oven-safe, stovetop compatible, and made for those who love a minimalist aesthetic with premium performance. While it lacks electric functions, it performs like a dream when paired with your oven or stovetop. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface. Crock-Pot 8-quart programmable slow cooker. This 8-quart crock-pot is a timeless kitchen workhorse with modern convenience. It features a programmable digital control panel, allowing you to set cook times from 30 minutes up to 20 hours. Once cooking is done, it automatically switches to a warming mode, perfect for busy days when you can't be home right away. The oval-shaped stoneware pot is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Ideal for batch cooking, potlucks, or family gatherings, this model delivers consistent results at a budget-friendly price. Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker SCV700-BR. If you prefer simplicity and reliability, the Crock-Pot 7-quart manual slow cooker is a tried and true choice. With high, low, and warm settings, it provides everything you need for basic slow cooking. There are no digital panels or complex functions, just straightforward performance. The 7-quart ceramic insert is spacious enough for roasts, soups, or a whole chicken. Cleanup is simple with the dishwasher-safe insert and lid. It's an excellent entry-level slow cooker at an unbeatable price, making it perfect for beginners or minimalists.